Hey guys, welcome back. Yes, I'm here. Uh, Today's video is going to be a little different from my usual. I'm going to be doing. Sorry about that. I was just trying to move some stuff so I have more room on here. Because you're going to need a good view of my laptop here. Because today I'm going to be reacting to some extreme lightning strikes. Sorry, my nose was itchy. Caught on camera in a couple of videos. There. So it's not in the way. Anyway, I'm gonna cue up the first one and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to let this play, but I am going to react to it, okay? Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Holy cow. Ooh. Jeez. Ooh. And that kid's out there videoing it. Good Lord, he's filming it. Yay. Yeah, that's for sure. Oh my goodness, it hit that sign. Good Lord. Ooh, that poor building. Gosh. There's hail. Oh my gosh. Hey, easy with the mouth. That's dark. Whoa! Jeez. My goodness. Unbelievable. Whoa! Yowza. Good Lord. Whoa! That should have been enough to knock out the lights there. My goodness. Yeah, it electrified it. Whoa! Yeah, it did. Yeah, really. It's dangerous to be outside during a thunderstorm. That bad of light. Whoa! Gosh. Yay! It hit the yard. Oh, nice pull. Nice pull in that clip. Yow! Boy, that was right away. Whoa! Gosh. Wow. Oh, another one right away. Gosh. Jeez. Sorry, I should have put a warning on this video about the swearing. Well, consider this your warning. Heavy swearing in this video. Ooh. That knocked out power. Yowza! That was another roof shot. Wow. Good Lord. Whoa. Good Lord. Yowza, it hit the ground. Saw sparks flying. Oh, those kids. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, I'd say. I wouldn't be doing a TikTok outside, girls. Yo! Or kids, I mean. Oh, good lord. I hit the sand. Jeez. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. Oh, hit a lighthouse. Oh, my gosh. That's crazy. Whoa!
Holy shit, that tree just got hit right
Yeah, it
there.
did.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Jeez. Yeah, you did. Watch the mouth now, people. My water's just pouring down. Oh my goodness. It hit a transformer! Oh, good lord. Jeez.
That's been a while since we had a storm coming from a direction we can actually see it.
Oh gosh. This is crazy. Yeah, you hear an alarm going off. Oh gosh. Ooh, I think it hit the road. Yeah, you hear a dog barking too. Ooh. Oh, good lord. Another. Okay, it hit a tree there. Another car alarm going off. Ouch. This is why it's not smart to be outside during a thunderstorm. You risk getting struck by lightning. And that's why people run inside. Jeez. Oh, good lord. Ooh, gosh. Oh, good lord. Whoa. Holy cow. Yow. Another alarm going off. Did that hit a boat? Oh, good lord. Ooh, gosh. Yeah, I can't say I blame you. Oof. I would not be standing outside during a storm, buddy. Oh, it hit that light. You shouldn't let your kid outside during a thunderstorm. Are you nuts? Ooh. There's another pole hit. And another one. Alright. And another one. No kidding. Hey, what's the mouth? Kiss your mother with that mouth? Oh my goodness, there was stuff falling. Ooh. Good lord. Wow. Gosh. That struck the water. Ooh, there's another water strike. Wow. And another car alarm going off. Ooh. That hit the beach. That hit the beach. Ooh, look at that. Hi, Shadow. Hi, kitty. Ouch. My goodness. Hi there, baby. Hi there, baby. Hi, dear. Hi. Shadow's underneath my tray here. Hi there, baby. Hi. Hello, sweetheart. Hi. Petting my cat. She was underneath my tray. Wow. Oh my goodness. Jeez. That hit the roof. My goodness. Oh, oh good Lord. Ooh. Tree shot. My gosh. That dang tree splintered. Those poor dogs. Oh, good Lord.
Cooper!
Find shelter immediately. Idiot.
Just
Don't.
use lightning bolt.
Stay outside. I would not do that. Do not stay outside. See?
Holy shit!
I just hit that hole. Oh my goodness. Oh good Lord. It hit that pole. Oh gosh. It hit a plane. My gosh. Whoa. Oh gosh, it just took out the back. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. That was absolutely insane. They'd have to do an emergency landing if they got hit. There's no doubt it would have taken out the engine. Oh, good Lord. Jeez. Whoa. That's crazy. It was like dancing along there. Jeez. Oh, good Lord. That poor plane. Oh, gosh. That was nuts. That was insane. There's a hit on the ground. Good Lord. Night shot. Wow. Oof. Right by the plane. Gosh. Jeez. Insane. Yeah, it's funny now, but won't be in a second whenever you get zapped by it. Ooh, look at that rainbow. That's pretty.
Look at this rainbow.
Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Oh, crap. That crap. I will say, for the most part, some of those were pretty crazy. I am not impressed by how irresponsible some of the parents were letting their kids outside during a thunderstorm, with the lightning being that harsh. I do think they should have thought a little more before letting their kids outside during it. That was crazy. Of course, I think that was utter stupidity, being outside during a thunderstorm while the lightning was that bad. And I do hope next time that they're a little smarter as far as what they're doing. Okay, guys, I'm thinking I might wind up filming another video after this, but I'm not sure yet. I will probably end this video here after this outro. Please like, subscribe, share it around, and I'll probably see you guys in the next video. Probably in the next video I'll do some shout outs for you. I do want to do a Q&A at some point again, but I'm not sure exactly when, because I have so much I need to get done yet here at home as well as online. With that said, I'll see you in the next video.
See ya.
Bye.